Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Temitope of Little Fit Craft. In today's class, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful pattern. It's a shell plus puff stitch pattern. This is the pattern I use for the blanket you are seeing on my screen right now. So I'll be showing you how to go about it with this simple swatch. If this is a video that will be very educative and you really learn from, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. So for this pattern, I'll be using single strand of yarn, single strand of this Nigerian yarn. I'll be using 3.5 mm crochet hook, 3.5 mm crochet hook. So let's get started. This pattern is a multiple of 6. Is a multiple of 6. So I'll be starting with chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this is 30 chain. I'll be making one single strand on this 30 chain. So I'll be needing one more chain for turning for the single crochet. So single crochet. So I did a chain of 31, multiple of 6 plus 1. That one is for the single crochet foundation. For the foundation, single crochet on each of the stitches down. One single crochet on each of the stitches. So right now we have 30 stitches all together. So now to the pattern itself. Chain 2, turn your work. Now we are going to be skipping this very first stitch. You know there's a stitch here. We are skipping here and skipping the next stitch. So on the third stitch, we are going to be making a shell, and this is how we go about it. One double crochet, one double crochet, that is 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. So this is our shell. 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. So skip 1, 2 into the third stitch, make a puff stitch, and this is how we go about our puff stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. That is second time, third time, and fourth time. Pull through remaining two loops and pull through the remaining loops. So this is our puff stitch. Make sure your puff stitch isn't too tight. So skip 2 stitches and work your shell of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Next, skip 2 stitches and work into the third stitch, puff. So, and 4. Jump into the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. Make your shell. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet again. Skip 2 stitch and to the 3rd stitch make your puff. Oh, excuse me. So this is how we'll continue skipping 2, making a shell, skipping 2 stitch, making a puff. Till we get to the last stitch. So this is what you should have. So right now into the last stitch, we are going to be skipping 2, and into the last stitch make 1 double crochet. So this is what we have. Chain 2. Now let's make it chain 3. Because of this, we are going to be working on that chain 3. So now into this first shell, we are going to be making a puff. Remember that you can always use any hook of your choice and any yarn of your choice, but don't forget to always make a swatch before starting any project to know how it's going to be at the end. So the next stitch, which is a puff, we are going to be making a shell. So the pattern is basically opposite of each other. Like everywhere you see a shell, you make a puff, and everywhere you see a puff, you make a shell. So on this puff I'm making a shell. So on this shell I'm making a puff. So this is how I will continue working till I get to the last stitch. So on the last shell, make a puff. So on the previous chain 3, we are going to be making a double crochet into that stitch. So to give us a straight edge, a straight edge. Hope you understand. So this is what you should have right now. So now we are going to be making a chain 3 and turn our work. So into the very first puff, we are going to be making a shell, and into the next shell, we are going to be making a puff. I love working with one single strand of this yarn because most especially for a baby, it's very soft and it's very okay for this Nigerian weather. If you are using a double strand, it might be quite thick, which I personally don't want. So it depends on what you want. You can double the strand on or work with a single strand just like mine. But trust me, it's very beautiful with a single strand, but it's just your personal choice. Now I'll continue working this till the end, so I'll show you what it looks like. So on the last puff stitch, I'm making a shell. Chain 1 on the chain, 1 double crochet on the chain 3 space. So this is what you should have. Look at how beautiful the stitch is. So remember that this stitch can be used for dress, blanket, scarf, or anything of your choice. Alright, well, thanks for watching to the end, and see you in my next video. Bye.